What time? What time? What time is? What time is? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it in New York? What time is it in New York? Where? Where? Where are? Where are? Where are my keys? Where are my keys? Where are my keys and wallet? Where are my keys and wallet? Does he work? Does he work? Does he work here? Does he work here? Does he work as a teacher? Does he work as a teacher? Does he still work as a teacher? Does he still work as a teacher? How? How? How old? How old? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you exactly? How old are you exactly? Whose? Whose? Whose is? Whose is? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Whose book is this on the table? Whose book is this on the table? How many? How many? How many books? How many books? How many books do you have? How many books do you have? How many books do you have at home? How many books do you have at home? How much? How much? How much water? How much water? How much water should I drink? How much water should I drink? How much water should I drink per day? How much water should I drink per day? How long? How long? How long will it take? How long will it take? How long do you think it'll take? How long do you think it'll take? How long will it take to finish? How long will it take to finish? Can you? Can you? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Can you help me a bit? Can you help me a bit? Why? Why? Why is? Why is? Why is she late? Why is she late? Why is she always late? Why is she always late? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? Do you like cheese pizza? Do you like cheese pizza? Do you like pizza with lots of cheese? Do you like pizza with lots of cheese? Is she coming? Is she coming? Is she coming tonight? Is she coming tonight? Is she coming to the party? Is she coming to the party? Is she coming to the party tonight? Is she coming to the party tonight? Can I? Can I? Can I sit? Can I sit? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Can I sit next to you? Can I sit next to you? Would you like? Would you like? Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like coffee or hot tea? Would you like coffee or hot tea? Do you do that often? Do you do that often? Do you exercise often? Do you exercise often? How often do you train per week? How often do you train per week? Do you work out every day? Do you work out every day? How many do you have? How many do you have? How many books do you have? How many books do you have? How many books do you have at home? How many books do you have at home? How many books do you have in total? How many books do you have in total? How much? How much? How much water do you have? How much water do you have? How much water should I drink? How much water should I drink? How much water is it recommended to drink per day? How much water is it recommended to drink per day? Shall we go? Shall we go? Should we go? Should we go? Shall we go to the beach? Shall we go to the beach? Shall we go to the beach today? Shall we go to the beach today? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? Where are you going after work? Where are you going after work? Where are you going this weekend? Where are you going this weekend? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? What are you doing tonight? What are you doing tonight? What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? How much does this thing cost? How much does this thing cost? How much did your phone cost? How much did your phone cost? How much does it cost in total? How much does it cost in total? Do you know where it is? Do you know where it is? Do you know where he lives? Do you know where he lives? Do you know where she works? Do you know where she works? Do you know where we can eat cheaply? Do you know where we can eat cheaply?